Give me any, I'ma let it slide. Bet you I'ma like I'm in the sky. Look at how I wanna let the ideas just up high like a new hot. Good to be the GOAT, only way I is to treat it like it's gossiping. Yeah, watch this, yo. I can like no other guy. Give me any, I'ma let it ride. Bet you I'ma like I've been a vibe. I'ma just yeah, check it, yo. I can tell a sky pick for profit. When I flow top, pick the topic. Is it hip hop? Is it gothic? Can it fit into the corner pocket? Is it hovering above the surface? Is the pain where the megahertz is? Where the mass shit, where the church is? Are the last days where the earth is? It's a movie, listen to me. They have given the permission to me to move like Mr. Halloumi. If I leave here, don't pursue me. Let me flow topic to topic. From the posh tip to the mosh pit, to the ghost watch and the folks clock and the most popular optics. Spread it all round, from the small town to the empire, spin a fall down. From the energy to burn the wall down, or the mothership gon' call down like Orson. The heat gon' be scorching, the beat gon' need voices. The sound downright awesome, but downtown like different than the sounds y'all like. Let me break it down for 'em like, hold up.
Maybe I should just wait just a little bit. Forgetting bothers me.